The quality of any product can vary depending on the brand and product category. However, each and every product I bring to you has implemented measures to ensure the quality of the product. I now know that you learned how to use Neutogena makeup remover in the last video. How about I tell you that there is a Neutrogena Face Moisturizer for your dry skin? Sounds good. Yep, that's what I thought. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Water Gel Daily Face Moisturizer for dry skin, oil-free, non-comedogenic face lotion. Hydro Boost Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel Face Moisturizer is clinically proven to quench dry skin and lock in moisture for 24-hour hydration. Neck and face moisturizer for dry skin is lightweight, oil-free, and non-comedogenic. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid, a hydrator naturally found in skin that binds to water and holds it within skin's surface for more supple and smooth skin. Water Gel Face Lotion absorbs quickly like a gel, but provides the long-lasting and intense moisturizing power of a face cream to boost skin's hydration level and lock it in all day.